Let's discuss that coelom. So coelom is absent from Porifera to Platyhelminthes. It's absent from Porifera to Platyhelminthes. It is pseudocoelomate Aschelminthes, and it's coelomate from the next ones Annelida to chordates. It's coelomate. Segmentation found only in Annelida, Arthropoda, and chordates. It is found in Annelida, Arthropoda, and chordates. In the rest ones, it is not so apparent. Digestive system, it is absent in Porifera. We know that Porifera doesn't have any digestive system. Incomplete digestive system, only one opening, that means it has only got one opening in Cnidaria, Ctenophora, and Platyhelminthes. Cnidaria, incomplete in Cnidaria, Ctenophora, and Platyhelminthes. From Aschelminthes to chordates, it has complete digestive system. Complete digestive system is from Aschelminthes to chordates. So it's absent, digestive system absent in Porifera, incomplete in Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes. From Aschelminthes to chordates, it's complete. Circulatory system from Porifera to Aschelminthes. From Porifera to Aschelminthes, it's absent, and from Annelida to chordates, it's present. From Annelida to chordates, it's present. From Porifera to Aschelminthes, it's absent. From Annelida to chordates, it's present. Respiratory system, Porifera to Annelida has also been included. It's absent. And from Arthropoda to Chordata, it's present. So coelom from Porifera to Platyhelminthes, it's absent. Pseudocoelomate, Aschelminthes is pseudocoelomate, and coelomates are from Aschelminthes, that means from Annelida to chordates. After Aschelminthes, Annelida to chordates. Segmentation, it is found in Annelida, Arthropoda, and chordates mainly. Digestive system, Porifera, it's absent. Incomplete in Cnidaria, Ctenophora, and Platyhelminthes. From Aschelminthes to chordates, it's present. Circulatory system, now Porifera to Aschelminthes, it's absent. And after from digestive system, Aschelminthes to chordata. So circulatory system from Porifera to Aschelminthes, it's absent. And after Aschelminthes, what is it? From Annelida to chordates, it's present. Respiratory system, now it's extend to Annelida also. Porifera to Annelida, it's absent, and from Arthropoda to chordate, it's present. So there's a similarity here. Digestive system, in Porifera it is absent, but it is incomplete in Cnidaria, Ctenophora, and Platyhelminthes. From Aschelminthes to chordates, it's present. Circulatory system, Porifera to Aschelminthes is also included into Aschelminthes, and then from Annelids to chordates, it's present. Respiratory system, now the extension is up to Annelida also, Porifera to Annelida, and then it's absent, and from Arthropoda to chordates, it's present. So that's where the basic things which we discussed. I hope you would have understood the whole thing. and do like and share my videos, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe.